Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your partner account and that the registered phone or email works. This avoids delays when requesting OTPs. Once done, open the Zomato partner app you installed and allow location and storage, because the app needs permissions to show orders and upload menus. Next, choose the login method, phone or email, and enter the exact registered details. This ensures the system maps you to your restaurant profile and triggers the OTP or password flow immediately. You will receive an OTP or be asked for a password. Enter the OTP quickly because codes expire, and type passwords exactly including capitals and symbols so authentication succeeds. Once authenticated, the app may prompt for biometric setup or two-factor authentication. Accept these for faster future logins and extra security. If your account manages multiple outlets, make sure to select the correct restaurant now. This prevents confusion and ensures you see the right orders and settings for the venue you are operating. You finish by confirming the partner dashboard loads with active orders and status indicators. This proves login completed and data synced. If some menu items or settings appear outdated, pull to refresh or use the app's sync option so the server updates locally. If you run into issues, first check your internet connection and that the OTP hasn't expired. Then try resending. If problems persist, reset your password or contact Zomato partner support with your business ID and error details for a faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.